Isa sa pinaka-best feeling in life na pwede mong ma-feel is yung nakapag-move on ka na. Like, alam niyo tayo yung feeling na parang pwede mo nang tawanan yung mga bagay-bagay na ginawa mo before, like yung mga desperation na ginawa mo before, tapos right now na parang nakapang-move on ka na, parang kaya mo na siyang tawanan, hindi ka na nabibitter, parang no hard feelings na, you know what I mean, it feels good. Kapag go back kasi ako sa mga conversation na parang sobrang girl desperate ko before, and parang right now looking back na hindi na siya gaano ka big deal sa akin, and parang wow, like grabe, tinatawanan ko na lang yung mga ginawa ko before na sobrang sobrang cringe, pero I cannot blame myself naman like I respect that version of myself. Wow, this person meant so much na para bang I feel like I can't move forward if wala sila sa buhay ko, mapa-friends or romantic relationship man yan, or family members. Pero right now na parang talagang nakapag-move on ka na and it feels like being yourself again. Natatawanan mo na lang na parang, like, gosh, like, nagawa ko yun. Like, ako ba yun? Di ba? You know what I mean, te? So, this is just a reminder na if you are in your moving on phase, keep moving on, te. Keep healing, keep finding out paano ka makakapag-move on, te. Go, te, because I can't wait for you to feel that feeling again of, being yourself again, na you are back, you are the baddest bitch again, you are confident, life feels good again, te, na feeling. I'm rooting for you, te. Like, keep going lang, te, kasi you deserve that feeling. And yung mga trauma and experiences na meron ka before, te, it doesn't define you as a person. It doesn't define your identity. Yes, maybe nagkamali ka, te. Yes, maybe nagkamali sila, te. Pero it's in the past and it's something na you can control na. So, focus on your moving on phase, te. Kasi, yeah, life is too short to entangle your whole life and identity sa mga bagay-bagay na nagawa mo before. And put some grace sa sarili mo, te, na if pwede ko lang kausapin yung sarili ko na wag mong gawin yung mga bagay-bagay na yun. But right now, te, I didn't regret anything kasi parang talagang binigyan ko ng chance yung sarili ko and a room for myself to really do my best hanggat saan ko pwedeng dalhin yung relationship na yon. 'Di ba? At least ginawa ko yung best ko. Like, wala akong pinagsisiyan, te. So, keep healing, te, kasi para hindi mo ma-self-sabotage yung sarili mo sa mga potential healthy relationship and the happiest person then na you could potentially meet pa in the future. Fix yourself first. Not fix, but heal yourself first and you deserve the most happiest and genuine relationship ever. So yeah, rooting for you, Te. That's all and keep going. Love yourself, Te. You deserve that.